Now, let's talk about Bitcoin on the monthly chart. So can everybody still see my screen out there? Forrest, we good?
We're good.
We're good? All right. So now I'm going to take some risk. Everybody is going to start asking me, Bill, what's going to happen in 2022? So I might as well start before everyone really starts asking. Let me tell you what crypto people have never seen. Most of the time they're used to, some kind of all the way up and then some sort of like either 50 or 80% crash. I'm suggesting that Bitcoin may actually wind up in a range. Like if you go back and look at Forrest's chart, like he has a bullish zone and a bearish zone. And in between that is, like in Star Trek, the neutral zone. Bitcoin may actually fall into a range between, say, 56 and 36K, and it may stay there next year. Now, that obviously gives Ethereum and altcoins a huge opportunity to move higher, assuming that we don't have, an apocalyptic winter, COVID problem, or Evergrande problem. So I think if you're going to buy and hold altcoins, assuming it's not a disaster, there's no macro problem, I'm thinking January of next year is where you want to start to position yourself. Because I think Bitcoin, despite everyone really loving it, could fall into a range for an extended period of time before it really starts taking off, say, in early 2023. In other words, if you think Bitcoin's going to like 250,000, Bitcoin may have to coil up before that happens. Now, is this a prophecy? Am I a Swami with a crystal ball? Of course not. All right, of course. But the 2022 forecast is on in terms of me coming up with ideas. Now, there's another angle on this in that I got a Bitcoin chart that went all the way back to the start of trading in 2010. And I started using my Gann 44-month cycle work. And I noticed something really interesting. 2017, at the end of the 44-month cycle, Bitcoin topped right after it. And in this current case, Bitcoin topped right before the end of a 44-month cycle. Now, again, back in 2018, Bitcoin obviously fell apart. In this case, it's a little different. Bitcoin topped early, went down hard, and now that's where I'm getting this idea of it's going to be the opposite of 2017. So let's go through that again. The 44-month cycle ended 2017, around November. There was a final climactic high in December, and then an 80% crash. In this particular case, Bitcoin topped out, say, 2 to 3 months early, went down, but didn't crash, but then went back up and is now in a new 44-month cycle. So, unlike 2018, I think Bitcoin could actually wind itself up while Alt and ETH do well early next year.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.